Hi Falaknur.
Hi Misbah, how are you?
I'm well. What about you?
I'm good. Sit.
You know what? I saw Peter today.
Oh, how's he doing?
Not too well, I'm afraid.
Why is that?
He told me he had been looking for work but had not found a job.
That surprises me. Was he fired or did he quit his last job?
Yes, he told me his boss had treated him very badly, and he also said he did not like his chances of advancing in the company.
I think quitting doesn't sound like a very wise decision.
Yes, true, but he's been working hard at finding a new job.
Oh, what's he done?
Um, he, he said he sent out his resumes to more than 20 companies, but unfortunately, only two had called him for an interview.
Oh, that's really tough.
Yes, but however, I gave him some advice and I hope it helps.
What did you suggest?
I suggested him to joining a networking group.
That's a good idea. Where did you see him?
I saw him at the mall. He said he was shopping for a new suit.
What? Buying new clothes and no work.
No. He said he wanted to make the best impressions possible at his